Good morning children. Today 5th class mathematics. In previous class we have to discuss about by 11 rule. Today we have to discuss what is the by 12 rule. Without doing actual division, how we can say the given number is divisible by 12 or not. Means here if the given number is divisible by 3 and 4 means 3 table and 4 table, then only it is divisible by 12. See here, if the number is, if the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. Then it is divisible by 12. It is the divisible by 12 property. Okay. If the given number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4, so the given number is not divisible by 4. So the whole number is not divisible by 12, like this. Okay. I'll say examples here. First I am taking as a first example, that is 2436. They are asking it is divisible by 12 or not. What we have to do? First we have to check the by 3 rule and by 4 rule in the solution. First write down the by 3 rule. What is the by 3 rule? Sum of the digits. If sum of the digits is divisible. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. I am keeping here divisible symbol. Okay. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Then only the given number is divisible by 3. Now check sum of the digits means total number of digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 6 15. So 15 divided by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 3 times 15. Next, write down the by 4 rule. What is the by 4 rule? The tens place and ones place is divisible by 4. If the tens and ones place is divisible by 4. You have to check it once. What is the tens and ones place here? 3, 6, 36. Here tens and ones place is 3, 6, 36. Here 36 is divisible by 4. Why? Because here 4 table we will get 36. 4 nines 36. So it is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 4. Therefore 2, 4, 3, 6 is divisible by 12. You can say directly like this. If you understood clearly children, Ojashwini, think once. If the given number here I am taking as one example, that is 2436. They are asking if it is divisible by 12 or not? What you have to check? What is the property of divisible by 12 rule? If the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then only it is divisible by 12. So check the by 3 property. Write down. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, means have to check sum of the given number 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. This total become as 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 1 completed. Now check by 4. If the tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Tens and ones place number is 3, 6, 36. It is tens place and it is ones place. It is also divisible by 4. Why? Because here 4 nines 36. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So, automatically 2436 is divisible by 12. Same like this, they given some more questions in your textbook, page number 92. That is fourth bit. That is fourth bit by 12 property. See, in this first question I am writing a question. That is 5342. They are asking it is divisible by 12 or not. First what you have to do? You have to check it is divisible by 3 or not. Means you must write down the by 3 rule. What is the by 3 rule? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, means here by 3, the sum of the digits is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. 5 plus 3 how much? 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. Okay. So, we won't get 14. Therefore, why? Because in 3 table, we don't get 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So, if 1 is not divisible, no need to check the by 4 formula. You have to write down directly. 14 is not divisible by 3. Then, so, 5342 is not divisible by 12. You can say directly like this. Okay? If it is divisible by 3, then only check it is divisible by 4 or not. If not possible, no need to check. That is the next question. 936. Here, solution. Here also they are asking it is divisible by 3 or not. By 12. First write down the by 3 formula. That is the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits is equal to 9 plus 3 plus 6. If they given any number of digits but the process is same. 9 plus 3. 9 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6 again. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6. 12 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay. Therefore, 18 will come in the 3 table. Check once. 3 ones 3. 3 to 6. 3 3s 9. 3 4s 12. 3 5s 15. 3 6 18. It will come. So, 8 is divisible. 18 is divisible by 3. Now you can check the by 4 formula. What is the by 4 formula? The tens and ones place. Ones place digits are 3, 6, 36. Okay, here therefore 36. In 4 table also we will get 36. 4 9s 36. Therefore 36 is divisible by 4. So 936 is also divisible by 4. Okay. If 18 is divisible by 3, here 36 is divisible by 4. So 936 also is divisible by 12 directly. Like this. If you clear? Same like this. Some more questions is there in your textbook page number 92. You have to finish remaining questions, that is C, D, E, F. Okay. Same like this you have to check the by 3 property. If it is possible, it is divisible, then only check the by 4 property. If it is divisible by 3, you are checking divisible by 4. But 4 is not divisible. So the total given number is not divisible by 12. Like that. Okay. So last you have to write down given number is not divisible by 12. If 3 and 4 both is divisible by that same numbers, then only it is divisible by 12. Okay. If by 3 is divisible, by 4 property is not divisible, then the given number is divisible by 12, children? No, it is not divisible by 12. So here no need to do the total problem. Just have to write down the formulas and check like this. Okay. This is your homework today. Today your homework is doing maths notes, that is exercise 4.2, fourth bit today. Fourth bit by 12 rule. By 12 rule, A to F problems. That is textbook page number 92. Remaining problems we will discuss tomorrow. Everyone open page number 92, children. See, fourth bit by 12, exercise 4.2, fourth bit by 12. A and B explained. You have to do C, D, E, F, these remaining questions. You have to do it is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 4. Then only it is divisible by 12. If any number not divisible by 3 and 4 means it is not divisible by 12. Remember this. Before going to do this, read the formulas compulsory. This is your homework today. Maintain the book neatly. Before going to start this, write down the date and day compulsory. This is your homework today. Thank you.